Karnataka government are considering setting up a 500-acre industrial park in Mandya district to boost the automobile and manufacturing sectors. Cabinet Minister for Large and Medium Industries Development M.B. Patil on Monday said the union government has shown interest in establishing an Automotive Research Association of India Center in Mandya. The earlier proposal was for 100 acres, but the state government has now suggested developing a larger 500-acre industrial ecosystem alongside the facility. Patil said he discussed the proposal with Union Minister for Heavy Industries and Steel H.D. Kumaraswamy, who agreed that a larger industrial hub would be more beneficial than a standalone ARAI center. Both ministers held detailed discussions with officials at Vidhana Soudha and directed them to identify suitable government or private land. Earlier, about 105 acres near Basaralu had been identified. However, with the expanded proposal, alternative sites are now being considered. Patil said around 425 acres near Belluru along the Bengaluru-Mangaluru National Highway was acquired in 2021 for industrial purposes, though compensation has not yet been fully distributed. Officials also suggested developing an industrial hub in the Pandavapura area adjoining the industrial area as well as along the borders of Mandya Taluk. Another round of discussions will be held after officials submit a detailed report. Patil also said that Andrew Yule Company Limited has sought 25 to 50 acres of land in Mandya district to set up a manufacturing unit. The company manufactures electrical equipment, large industrial fans and transformers for industrial use. Overall, the proposed 500-acre industrial park in Mandya district is expected to strengthen Karnataka's automobile and manufacturing sectors. With the proposed ARAI center, additional industrial units and interest from Andrew Yule Company Limited, the project could boost investment, create employment opportunities and accelerate industrial growth in the region. Further discussions will be taken after officials submit a detailed report.